Are you still managing property inquiries through messages and calls? This will not only waste your time but also may you lose many genuine buyers in the process. Now what if I told you all this process could be done without you doing any manual efforts? Yes, it is possible. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate property inquiries for real estate on WhatsApp. And that will done in just 3 steps, where at first we are going to create an WhatsApp chatbot, and that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And whenever your users send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then automatically your bot will reply to them. So now to see the working of this amazing automation and learn the process step by step, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So before starting the video of creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate property inquiries for real estate on WhatsApp, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will reply to your users instantly by sending a message to my WhatsApp business account of property dealer. Here I am sending my first message as property inquiry. As soon as I send the message, immediately you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that welcome to Dream Nest Reality. How can I help you with properties inquiries today? While providing me 2 options, that is browse properties and schedule viewing. Here I am selecting this browse properties. Then you can see the bot will ask me to select the property type while providing me one option in the form of list. When I click on it, it will provide me the types of properties, that is apartments, villas and commercial spaces. Here I am going with apartments. Then it will ask me for my full name. So I am sharing my full name as a test user. After that, it will ask me for my contact number. So I am sharing one test contact number. Then you can see it will ask me to share the date for viewing the property. So I am sharing one date also. After that, it will ask me for the timing. Here I sent. Then you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that thank you for sharing your details. Here's a summary of your booking while providing me all the details of my booking, that is the property that I have selected from the list as apartment. After the name that I have given as test user, the phone number, date and the time. Also one message, that is would you like to proceed with this booking, while providing me 2 options, that is yes confirm booking and no change property. Here I want to confirm this booking, so I am clicking on this yes confirm booking button. Then you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that your booking has been confirmed. You will receive a call shortly for further details. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for your property inquiries for real estate, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. So here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Now I'll give you a quick review about Pabbly community. So this is right over here is Pabbly community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. When you are stuck while using the Pabbly, then you can share your doubts here, and the people who are facing similar problem just like you, or even the Pabbly team members, will help you out. So if you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Here on the right hand side, you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and another is sign up free option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on the sign in option. So here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So I am going in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking access now button. So this is right over here is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to add a new WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you have to click on this button plus add WhatsApp number button. When you click on it, it will provide you 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want a detailed video of how to connect your WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we we have already created a separate video for it for both of these steps. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box, you can check out. Now in this folder section, you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Chatflow account by clicking on this plus option, where you have to provide the name to your folder. Also select the parent folder from here. And in this home section, you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. Here on the left hand side, you can see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings, and get help. If you want to learn more about these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going in this flows option. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. It created manage static chatbots seamlessly using a no-code drag and drop builder. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going to click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, but before this, at first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. So here I am providing a name. Here I provided, that is automate property inquiries for real estate on WhatsApp. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages, you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the actions, you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is active and active button and another is save button. With the help of this button, your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. So for starting the creation of your flow, at first you have to select your trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events, that is keyword/regex, user starts conversation, template selected, WhatsApp template delivered, contact added to contact list, custom field updated, contact's birth date is coming soon, and tag assigned. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords, so I am selecting this. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. And the another one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. As we are creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords, so the first keyword I am entering in this enter keywords box, that is property inquiry. After writing the keyword, you have to press enter so that it will add it into the list. Now I am adding one more keyword here, that is available properties. Here I added only two keywords, you can add multiple. Now whenever my user will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp business account, then automatically my bot gets triggered and reply to them. For that I am taking one text button, drag this box here. Here I am going to write one welcome message for my user in this enter message box. Here I write, that is welcome to Dreamnest Realty. How can I help you with property inquiries today? So for answering this, I am providing two quick buttons for my user. For that I am clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I am going to write my first button as browse properties. After that, now I am adding one more button, schedule viewing. After writing this, now I am connecting my starting point of my flow to this welcome message by clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Now let's assume my user will select this browse properties button, then my bot will reply to them. For that I am taking one list button, drag this box here. Here you can see this list box is divided in three parts, that is header, body and footer, where at first you have to write the header in this enter header box. Here I am not writing any header, so I am leaving this blank. After that you have to write the body in this enter body box. So here I am directly entering the body. That please select a property type to browse. After that you have to write the footer in this enter footer box. Here I am not writing it, so I am leaving this blank. After that I want to write the types of properties. For that I am clicking on this add section button. It will provide me one box inside it where I am going to write my section title as properties. After that now I want to add the types of property. For that I am clicking on this plus add items button. It will again provide me one box inside it where I am going to write my first property type in this enter title box, that is apartments. After that if you want to write any description, then you can write in this enter description box. Here I am not adding it, so I am leaving this blank. After that now I am adding two more properties type. Here I am going to add only three, you can add multiple. Here I added that is villas and commercial spaces. After that, I am connecting this circle which are present in front of browse properties to this message where it is connected. Now, whenever my user will select the properties type, then my bot will reply to them. But before that, here I am setting one custom field tag. For that, I am clicking on this actions option and take button as set custom field. Drag this box here where I am going to select the contact custom field as property type. After that, in this enter value box, I am going to write this, that is apartments. Here I write this because I set this contact custom field not specifically for this apartments. Now I am going to explain you where you can create this contact custom field and why we use the contact custom field in the creation of our flow. But before moving forward, at first you have to click on the save button so that your flow will be saved. If you won't save your flow and move to another tab, then all the progress of your flow will be lost. So make sure that whenever moving anywhere, save your flow at first. Now I'll show you where you can create this contact custom field. For that, you have to click on the settings option and go in this contact custom fields option. Here I am opening this in a new tab. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of contact custom field for your different type of users. It is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, email, tags, countries, etc. As different users have different data, so for capturing their dynamic data, contact custom field is used. When you scroll down, here you can see one option is there, that is plus add more fields. When you click on it, it will provide you one field name box where you have to write the name of your field. Also write the description in this field description box. As I already created one contact custom field by the name of property type, so I am not creating more. Now we will get back to our flow. Here I selected the contact custom field. After that, now I am setting two more contact custom field nodes for both of these property types. For that, I am again taking the set custom field buttons 2 times. Drag this boxes here, where I am going to select the contact custom field as property type. After that, in this enter value box, I am going to write this, that is villas. After that, for the last one also, I am going to select the contact custom field as property type, and in this enter value box, I am going to write this, that is commercial spaces. You can see I set it 3 contact custom field nodes here, but the contact custom field that I have selected inside it is the same for all of these 3, that is property type, because this contact custom field will help my bot to provide a customized message for my users based on their provided data. After that, now I am connecting this circle to this message, this circle to this, and this to this. Here it is connected. Connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Now, whenever my user will select the property type, then my bot will ask them to share their full name. For that, I am taking one ask a question button, drag this question box here, where I am going to write my question in this enter message box. Here I write that is please provide your full name for the booking. For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as full name. After that, the format I'll select as text. Number of attempt I'll give as 1. Number of attempt define as how many times your user will answer your question that you have typed here in simple words. Whenever your user will not provide the response in the correct format that you have selected from here, then you have to increase the number of attempt for them. But make sure that whenever you increase the number of attempt, always write one validation message in this enter validation message box. Here I provided number of attempt as 1, so in this case there is no requirement of any validation message. That's why I am leaving this blank. After that, I am connecting all these 3 circles to this message. Here it is connected. Now in the next, I want my user to share their contact number. For that, I am again taking one ask a question button, drag this question box here and writing a question as please provide your contact number so we can reach you regarding your bookings. For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as contact number. After that, the format I'll select as number, where you have to write the minimum value and the maximum value in this boxes. Here I am entering the default value that is used for the contact number, that is 10 times 1 and 10 times 9. You can also use this default values for the format number. After that, number of attempt I'll give as 1. That's why I am leaving this blank. Now I am connecting this circle to this message where it is connected. Now, whenever my user will provide me their contact number, then my bot will ask them to share the date for viewing the property. For that, I am again taking one ask question button, drag this question box here. The process of adding questions into your flow would be same, as you can create your WhatsApp chatbot completely based on your choice. Here I am adding the question as please share a date for the viewing. You can see I write this asterisk symbol because with the help of this symbol, this specific message will deliver delivered to my user's WhatsApp account in the bold format. After that, I'm selecting the contact custom field as view date. Then the format I'll select as date, number of attempt I'll give as 1, and I'm not writing any validation message. After that, I'm connecting this circle to this message where it is connected. Now in the next, I want my user to share me the view time. For that, I'm again taking one ask question button, drag this question box here and writing a question in this enter message box. Great. Now please give a preferred time for the viewing. For that, I'm selecting the contact custom field as view time. After that, the format I'll select as any. After that, I'm connecting this circle to this message where it is connected. Now, whenever all these process will done, then at last my bot will give one customized message to my users based on their provided data. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text button. It will provide me one enter message box. You can also select this text button from here, messages option. After that, in this enter message box, I am going to write my respond message. Here I added, that is, thank you for sharing your details. Here's a summary of your booking, while providing them the property name, phone number and the date. You can see I use the dollar symbol before the property type, full name, contact number, view date and the view time also, because with the help of this symbol, my bot will reply to my users dynamically. As whenever they select the property type from here, then with the help of this contact custom field, not property type, automatically my bot will capture their response and mention their selected property type in this place. And the same for full name, contact number, view date and view time also. So now I think you will better understand the main use of contact custom field. After that, you can see at the end of this message, I also write that, would you like to proceed with this booking? Now for that, I am giving two quick buttons for my user by clicking on this plus add button. That is yes, confirm booking and no change property. Here, let's say if my users wants to confirm the booking, then they will click on this yes, confirm booking button. Then my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text button. It will again provide me one enter message box where I am going to write my last respond message. Here I write, that is, your booking has been confirmed. You will receive a call shortly for further details. Thank you for booking with us. Now what if my user will select this no change property button? Then my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. As whenever they click on this no change property button, then my bot will again provide them the types of property list. Now after that, the another one is the schedule viewing option. If my user will click on this, then my bot will also reply to them while providing them the types of properties. After that, ask about their full name, contact number, date of viewing, time and give them the customized message. Simply the process of scheduling property viewing is the same. That's why I connected this to this. Here I have done this as a text example. You can add many things here by using these multiple buttons which are present under the messages and the actions option, and make your WhatsApp chatbot completely based on your preferences. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate property inquiries for real estate on WhatsApp. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. And always make sure that to enable this toggle. If you won't enable this toggle, then your flow will be deactivated and it will not respond to your users. So make sure that always enable this toggle and make your flow active. If you face any difficulties in the creation of this flow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. You can also share this flow with your friends. For sharing this flow, you have to click on this flows option where you have to click on this three dots, then click on this share flow option. Here it will provide you one share link that you have to copy from here and share this flow with anyone. But make sure that when sharing the flow layout will be shared, but the contact custom fields, tags, catalog and templates will not be shared. You need to create these elements separately and templates must be created and approved by Meta. I also provide the link of this flow in the description box. You can check out. This WhatsApp automated chatbot will reply to your users like this. It will reply to your users 24/7, shares them the properties types, ask about their information and give them the customized message based on their provided data. And the best part is this WhatsApp automated chatbot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.